Welcome back. We are here in Poggio al Casone, a piece of paradise for me, very close to Pisa City. It's a big vineyard. Now the grapes are sleeping because it's end of January. Here, where I made in a field close to this place, the Orion Constellation. I want to show you this because when we talk about site-specific installation, the place, the location that we have must have a relation, must be an inspiration for us. That's why I choose Orion, because it has many ancient stories and lore about the wine. It's not the moment to talk about all these stories because they are very long, but I just want to remember you that in Middle East and maybe in Europe, the midnight rising of Orion marked the season of grapes gathering. So just a few minutes to reach the hill, and we arrived to drink a good glass of wine. Ciao Pier Giorgio.
Ciao.
Thank you for your hospitality. Hi. Just to introduce Pier Giorgio, he's the owner of this piece of paradise, Poggio al Casone, and the president of Materia Prima Foundation. He brought, thank you. He brought here in Pisa in 1989 catering to paint the biggest mural that we have in Europe. We have here in the center of Pisa. Thank you, Pier Giorgio.
Cheers.
Cheers. And now I move to the field where I made Orion Constellation for a brief demonstration how I make my land art installation. We have here the star. I made a star with the wooden ring covered with not-woven tissue. I chosen to make a Bellatrix star of Orion Constellation, the female warrior, the Amazon star. It's a slightly variable pale yellow star, left shoulder of the Orion. Then we have these stripes of the same tissue for the line. We'll build a part of the line that links the Bellatrix to the bow, okay? I use these long nails with this red plastic as washer because when I unmount the installation, I must remember, and I can't forget any of these nails. Otherwise, the machine that works the ground can have many problems. So we fix the top. Okay, and I use this aluminium bridge to separate the tissue from the ground, because in winter the rain and the ground dirty the tissue. Okay. I come. Now there is much wind, but just I pull the tissue. Okay. for the line, and then we'll fix the star. There is much wind today, so it's not easy to work. Okay, that's all. Thank you very much. See you soon for the live video with the artworks. For the artworks with your material. Goodbye.